Hi, I'm Sohali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this, flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all, curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us. So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
We certainly can't call dandruff as a simple cosmetic issue. Dandruff is actually caused by overgrowth of a fungus called malassezia on your scalp, and most times it leads to certain symptoms like irritability, itching of the scalp, and also flaking. And this leads to secondary hair loss and such complaints. So, certainly not a simple issue.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
As I mentioned earlier, a lot of symptoms like flaking, itching, irritability of the scalp, all these certainly warrant a medical consultation. And also, sometimes people present with tiny bumps on the scalp, you see that they scratch it out and there is flaking. And most importantly, it is also to eliminate other causes of flaking on the scalp, because certainly dandruff is not the only condition which causes flaking. We also have to rule out certain other medical conditions, for example, psoriasis, that also warrants a medical consultation. Apart from that, we are also looking at the severity of the dandruff. Sometimes it also goes beyond the scalp, as in eyebrows, the sides of nose, and sometimes the upper chest. All of these areas are also involved in dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis, as we call it. So any person with dandruff, do seek a medical consultation to understand it.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
Most home remedies people try are usually applying lemon on the scalp to maybe reduce the flaking, is what they believe. And apart from them, they try and put oil on the scalp, thinking that it is mainly caused by dryness. Both of these are very deterrent on the scalp, because the whole point here is excessive oil production on the scalp itself is causing the malassezia to overgrow on your scalp. So putting oil actually negates the whole purpose of it. And also, most times is that we don't look into other aggravating factors, most commonly as in our diet, where we are consuming a lot of sugar-based foods and oil-based foods. Also, a lifestyle, a sleep pattern, stress, all of these aggravate dandruff. So most times, simple home remedies do not give us complete relief because of this reason.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
The key takeaway, first and foremost, see your doctor, understand whether it's dandruff or not, or it's plain dryness of your scalp. Then there are multiple medication available that most importantly would include external topical application of an anti-dandruff shampoo. We also have certain oral medication which are given depending upon the severity of the dandruff. And most importantly, lifestyle modification also adds to the treatment.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
Most important for scalp health, I would say, is cleanse your scalp well. Shampoos, as we believe, are not for your hair. It's most importantly your scalp cleanser. So you cleanse your scalp. If you're, for example, an oily scalp person, wash it at least 2 to 3 times a week. If it's a drier scalp, maybe two times, or maybe once a week is also good. And also for people with oily scalp, avoid applying oil onto your scalp. That is only going to aggravate your dandruff. And most importantly, lifestyle and stress modification. I can't say don't be stressed, but modify your lifestyle to have a wholesome health.
So, dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching. It signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows best and will help you to stay flake-free and confident. Your scalp, your story. No shortcuts, just expert care.